Gnowbe's certificate feature is a great way to provide learners with proof of completion of your program. To add a certificate of completion to your program, click on Add a new action. Scroll down to Certificate of Completion. To keep the experience coherent and logical for the learners, you should add the certificate action towards the end of your program, although you may choose to add more actions after the certificate, such as summary, conclusion, feedback, etc. Learners will need to meet certain criteria in their programs before collecting their certificates. Curators can set these criteria on Gnowbe Web. To set these criteria, go to Edit Mode and look over your overall program and go to Program Settings. Scroll down and you will see the Certificate tab. For programs without assessments, learners will need to meet only the program's minimum completion rate to receive their certificate. You can change your completion threshold by changing the number here. This represents how much of the program the user needs to complete to attain their certificate. You can also add your own certificate seal, and you can preview by clicking here. If your program has an assessment, learners will need to meet both the program's minimum completion rate and assessment passing grade to receive their certificate. To change your assessment passing grade, change the number here. This represents the lowest percentage of assessment questions a learner must answer correctly before they can receive their certificate. Upon meeting the necessary criteria, learners can download their certificate as a PDF or add the certificate to their LinkedIn profile. That's it. Good luck!